Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, so I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath this video, there is a thumbs up. That's important for my growth on the YouTube platform. So if you could take a moment, if you're enjoying my content, and just hit it, you'll see the number will go up and it will turn blue, and then we'll be on our way. All right. Today, I'm really excited because it's been a while. The TrendMood Box. This is a box that is, for me, one that now I was really gung-ho at the beginning. I was one of the first supporters of this box. I found this box. I went on a wait list for it for a while when she announced that she was going to do a box. TrendMood is one of the first people on Instagram that I started to follow. She is one of the pioneers that started to get a lot of the information about the new up-and-coming products and things like that. So when she said she was going to come out with a box, I was really excited, and I made sure to pass on my email. And if you give an email to her, she then gives you on the day that it's not a subscription box. And I asked her to do a subscription box. She doesn't know me, but I sent her, some messages, and her husband are 100% not doing a subscription box. It is like first come, first serve, and they sell out very quickly. At the beginning, I had no issues. Then I started having issues trying to get the box, and I just said, I don't have the time in the day to sit at the computer to try and get in and then get disappointed. And I realized it was affecting me, so I said no. So she started showing, and she always shows you what's going to be in the box before, and she gives you little teasers week after week after week until finally the day before she'll tell you what the price is. And this time, this is I think volume 8. There were 2 items that were in the box that I saw early on the sneak peeks, and it was something that I was going to treat myself to directly on the website, and it sold out really quickly, and you will see them in here. I am so happy because that alone was, I think, for those 2 lipsticks, they were $20 each, and this box this time was $55. Her boxes can range all the way up to like just under like 78. I think I paid for one. The prices are like all over. So I guess it depends on which companies are working with her and so on and so forth. But a lot of times she has new releases in the boxes. And this one had a couple of items that I'm like, we'll see. But there were some in here that were, to me, ones that I was really interested in getting. And like I said, 2 of them were already sold out. And they were going to be in her box. So really happy about that. As you know, in her box, she has a little scan code where you could sit with your phone. I'm not comfortable with that, so I print out all the information. I go on, as soon as I get the confirmation that I'm going to get the box, I then go on the actual websites of the products that are going to be in the box and get the information directly from the websites. It takes a lot of time, but I like to know what I'm getting. And for $55, I want to make sure that if it's something that I'm showing you and it's of interest to you, I want you to know all the details on what the price is. As you know, here we do informative videos. So let's get started. All right, the first item that was in here is from Dermstore. It came in this box here, and inside was this tube here, and it simply says it is a daily sunscreen SPF 40. They're saying it has no white residue, and this is a $35 value. They're saying the Dermstore's Daily Mineral Sunscreen with SPF 40 provides sun protection with a universal flattering sheer tint. So we'll have to see what that looks like. This formula blurs imperfections without leaving a white residue on the skin. It's mineral-based, and this facial sunscreen shields the skin against both UVA and UVB rays, while vitamin C and E protect against the damaging free radicals. It's perfect to wear alone or under makeup, and it doubles as a smoothing makeup primer. That's great. It says the key ingredients here are zinc oxide, which will provide the full broad spectrum protection from the harsh UVA and UVB, the vitamin C and E, which is an antioxidant-rich vitamin that combats free radical damage, and ceramides, which helps reinforce the skin's natural lipid barrier. They're saying, again, it leaves no white residue. It is lightly tinted formula that will match most complexions. The formula blurs imperfections without leaving a white cast. It offers broad spectrum protection, we mentioned, of UVA and UVB. It's formulated without chemical sunscreens, filters, dyes, fragrances, oils, preservatives. It's reef-free and can be worn alone or used under makeup. So that's the first item here. Let's see what we got. There's a safety seal here. Wish me luck. Oh, we did good. And there we are here. So let's put a little bit on my hand here. I love when there's a little bit of a tint so that, you know, if you just want to go for a walk and you've taken your makeup off, or you want to just feel a little bit more comfortable, and it has SPF, as long as it, you know, and you can wear it as a primer underneath your makeup, I think this is really nice. To me, it's a very, very light tint. It feels beautiful on the skin, very smooth, but I'm not sure I would even consider that a tint. It's right over there. So that's the first item. The second item that we received is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is the one that I'm really excited about. It's the Soft Focus Nude Lip Collection. And we got 2 shades and they're $20 each. We got Nude Coco and Pretty Natural. I will swatch them both for you, but wait till you see the packaging. It says, meet our creamy pigment pack custom teardrop tip that precisely fills and defines your lip in a swipe. It has vitamin E, which nourishes, boosts circulation, and leaves your lips pillowy soft. And our unique blurring technology creates a soft focus smoothing effect, blurring away fine lines and imperfection. It is a demi-matte satin finish and will last 4 hours. So the first one, and Dominique Cosmetics, she is, I think her name is Christine Dominique, I think. She is one of the OGs of the YouTube, you know, makeup and all that. And she was one of the first ones to come out with also, not the first ones, but pretty close. And her packaging, her eyeshadows, she works closely with Ipsy. She's really close friends with the girl from TrendMoods. So really, really happy that this is in the box. So this one is going to be the one in Nude Coco. Look how stunning this packaging is. It is beyond, beyond chic. It has the rose gold with the initials there. It has a magnetic closure, which I love. And then here is the first one. So like I said, this one is in Nude Coco. And she had a whole collection of nudes. And they sold out right away. Really, really pretty. And like I said, I was really interested in it. I saw something on Instagram, and this one is in Pretty Natural. Again, the stunning, stunning packaging. And this one is a lighter shade. And this you can wear together. You can outline with the darker and then inside. Just stunning, stunning, stunning. So, so happy. And like I said, these are $20 each. So really, really happy to have that. The next item is another one that I really wanted. And this one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it is their new Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. I heard fantastic reviews about this. And this one is a $25 mascara on its own. And it says, this will let you achieve your maximum lash volume and fullness you can't stop bragging about. This voluminous mascara instantly creates the look of dramatic, full-bodied lashes with intense jet black color. The specialty designed hourglass-shaped mascara wand will coat each lash with a lush, full pigment formula that glides on without weighing the lashes down. They're saying you can just do a, so cute. It says, brag a little, just a single coat delivers the perfect amount of product, leaving you with defined lashes that will last all day. If you want to brag a lot, apply 2 coats for that extra length and thickness. And if you want total bragging rights, apply 3 coats for the full-on extreme volume. They're saying it has flexible polymers. It's a creamy mascara. It's designed to prevent clumping and creating a long-lasting effect. It has conditioning agents which will help smooth and soften your lashes, plus the Lash Brag's unique blend of waxes, which will give your lashes eye-catching definition, length, buildability, and again, the brag-worthy volume. So I have so many mascaras open, but this has to be opened. So let's see what the wand looks like. Yeah, it's that perfect shape of that hourglass, which Too Faced made really, really famous. It's also now, you can get it in the Paradise from L'Oreal, and now this one here from Anastasia. So really, really happy about it. So really, really exciting. It feels like a really rich, and what's nice, it has a really beautiful, beautiful, beautiful packaging. So, and I've seen this where you guys can get the minis and stuff. to see if you like it. And I always appreciate when these mascaras are in the minis because the formula and the brush size is usually the same in the full size versus the minis. The next one we got was 2 more products that were from Anastasia also, and is called the Dewy Set. And these were both $15 each. We got one in sweet pineapple, and the other one we got in enticing mango. And it says what it is it's a scented setting spray that seamlessly blends products together as it sets makeup, leaving the complexion dewy and radiant. It says it is for all skin types. It is ideal for those with dry skin who want that dewy glow. What it does is it's a water-based formula that goes on weightlessly and leaves your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. It can be used alone to give your skin a healthy looking glow or to be prepping your skin for a smooth makeup application. It can be reapplied throughout the day to refreshen the skin without disturbing its makeup. It's custom designed packaging here will give you a super fine gentle mist that delivers that maximum amount of product, so less pumps are needed. It goes on clear and it's free of any glitter, sparkle, or shimmer. It says used to prep, fix, or finish your makeup. They're saying the best thing to do is do an X and then the T formation. And it's paraben-free, gluten-free, vegan, and they're saying it's made in Canada. And this is what it looks like here. It has where you just turn the nozzle to unlock it. And let's just do 1 spritz. Oh yes, you smell the mango. Oh, really, really nice. And then the other one, let's see what this is. Both very, very refreshing. These are really, really nice. Excited to have that as well. The next item here is from ROC, R-O-C. And this is a brand that I'm getting introduced to, and I'm seeing a lot of info commercials on this. Not info commercials, just commercials with information that are on the regular channels. And it's called the Multi-Corrective Revive Glow Daily Serum Plus Vitamin C. It will visibly tighten and brighten and even your skin tone. And it looks like this. And it says it is a $34 value. They're saying this is a supercharged serum. It's clinically proven to deliver instant luminosity. And in 4 weeks, 100% of women had brighter, tighter skin. They experienced the power of the ROC vitamin C formulation with a 10% vitamin C blend bursting with potency. It is a lightweight serum that gives your fatigued skin that daily dose of the ROC vitamin C. It needs to maximize luminosity and reveal visibly tighter, brighter, and even more complexion. And then they said 100% had brighter, tighter skin in 4 weeks. 94% said they had luminosity and improved elasticity, and 0% said they had any irritation. So they're simply saying to awaken dull, lacklustered skin to reveal a visibly brighter, tighter, even complexion. This supercharged ROC multi-correction serum is a highly potent formula that is packed with powerful blend of vitamin C and energizing non-peptides that is clinically proven to deliver an instantly luminosity to 94% of women. The serum starts working right away to relieve tired skin. This is fantastic. It's clinically proven, dermatology tested, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. And it's really a reasonable price for a serum. And really excited to get this. So like I said, the company is really spending a lot of money on marketing. And I love that she got this. Oh, it has that beautiful, beautiful scent of like vitamin C, oh, so refreshing. This will be really easy to use every day, and my skin just drank that in. Like it's drunk it in. Unbelievable. Fantastic. All right, and the last item I'm a little bit nervous about, but we'll have to give it a try. It's from Goop, and it is the GoopGlow 5% glycolic acid overnight peel light 4-pack, and they're saying this is $45 for just 4 of them. But Goop is so expensive. And this one says if you are new to exfoliating or you have sensitive skin, this gentle but effective overnight glycolic pill was designed specifically for you. It helps refine, retexturize, and brighten your skin while you sleep. It uses the same ingredients as our 15% peel glycolic acid with hyaluronic acid, mango and banana yellow mombin, and an Australian kakudu plum extract. But with the glycolic acid level at 5%, the peel delivers powerful results so you wake up fresh, soft, smooth with beautiful glowing skin. Smooth it on with a new dual textured peel pad made soft enough for sensitive skins. It is especially brilliant on the face, neck, chest, and shoulders where we typically suffer the most sun damage. Use only one night per week. And they're saying the product is made for sensitive skin but is suitable for all skin types. If you want a more intense exfoliation, they do have one that has 15%. They're saying this is a 1 month supply because you're supposed to use this once a week. And that's it. So really, really excited to get that. So that's everything that we got in our box. I think it's a great box. I'm excited for a few of the items. Some are brand new to me, so I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try them, but I think they're all fantastic. So we got the mineral, the daily mineral sunscreen with the spectrum of 40. We got 2 of the beautiful Dominique lipsticks. We got the mascara from Anastasia. We got the 2 new mists with mango and pineapple from also Anastasia. This fantastic vitamin C from the Rock, and the 4 pads from Goop. So once again, everybody, that is the Trendmood box. Like I said, this is not a subscription. She gives hints on her Instagram. And then if you're interested, I suggest you put your email in so that you get the early access. And then, like I said, you just have to follow her. She gives hints along the month. And then on the last hint is the price. And then if that's everything that you want, you can try. But it is not easy. You have to be, you know, thick skin, because I've had more misses than hits in reference to getting this. And now on her most recent post, she's mentioned that she's opening it up to Europe and some other places, which I don't understand, because if she can't, you know, if she sells out so quickly just in the US, I don't understand the mindset, but that's, you know, her company. So once again, this is the Trendmood box. This is volume 8. And I just wanted to share with you about the products. It's not so much about the Trendmood. It truly is about the products. And these are all, a lot of these are new launches. So I wanted to be able to share them with you on the channel. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. And I want to make sure that everybody still continues to stay safe and stay well during this time. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.